See these Gaelic road signs, right? I call them Gàidhlig. I know they don't like that. Gàidhlig. I'm controversial Campbell, and I'm here to tell it like it is. Right, so I'm there, my wife, she's telling me, don't get yourself so worked up. But that's easy for her to say. I'm there trying to read this, breaking my neck. When I'm travelling home, him, I might to know where I'm going with all this jibber jabber. I'm there, what, Crowlista, and then what's up here? I can't even say that, that's just vowels thrown at a wall. I'm consonants, right? But anyway, so the thing is, right, I might work myself up a bit, right, and sometimes get into a bit of a Gaelic road rage. I have to get the side of the road and have a wee tug just to calm myself down, right? But the thing is, right, the thing is, the fight back starts here, right? Well, wherever the hell we are,